If you want to learn how to get free Filmora effects, I'll show you how. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation. If you're like me and use Filmora for video editing or are thinking about using Filmora, Filmora actually offers a bunch of free effects that are available to you right now. The Halloween Sounds Pack, the Doodle Pack, the Retro Shapes Pack, the Modern Material Pack, the Summer Beach Pack, the Summer Sunshine Pack, the Confetti Pack, the Birthday Pack, the Romantic Pack, the Spring Pack, and my favorite, the Martial Arts Pack. All you have to do is click on the More Effects tab in Filmora and scroll down to free goods. These are all available to you right now just for sharing them on Facebook. If you're not a Filmora user, I'll put a link in the description for a free trial so that you can give it a whirl. Not that kind of whirl. Be sure to like, comment, and oh, to hell with this.